This is my '01 Maxima SE edition. Bought it about a year ago. Had 89,000 miles on it. Right now it's at 110. Well, before it would start, it would make this loud dying duck sound, kind of like but I would have to hit the gas in order for it to start up sometimes, especially when I would go and run errands. I would go to 7-Eleven, come back in the car, start it up, did not want to start, and have to hit the gas a lot of times, vroom, it would start. But now, after this last week, it does not want to start at all. This is what happens. Here's the key, put it in. Nothing. Just kind of hear like a little buzzing. Bzzz. I don't know if you can hear that, but nothing. Battery's fine. Starter's fine. Check the flywheel, it's fine. Starter relay, it's fine. Neutral safety switch is good. Tried everything, put it in neutral. Start it up. Nothing. Put it in drive. Try to start it. Nothing. Hopefully you guys have some advice on this. You know what's going on. Trying to get my car to get started again. Nothing. If you have any advice or anything, please do comment. Thanks YouTube, and have a great day.